a life insurance policy to cover the risk of death and health insurance policy to cover the risk of hospitalization. While most of us consider these two plans essential, a very few people know about the importance of having personal accident policy. In this video, I, Tina Jal Kaushal, will tell you what is personal accident policy and the recent announcement made by the insurance regulator. Personal accident policy gives you multi-layer protection. It not only protects your family in the event of accidental death, but also covers disabilities causing loss of income. However, one of the challenges is how to select the right policy considering there are so many plans available in the market. The good news is the insurance regulator has directed all general insurers to offer a standard personal accident policy by April 1, 2021. The policy will be named as Saral Suraksha Bima with common terms and conditions across insurers. The standard personal accident policy directed by the regulator will come with two covers, basic and optional. Under basic cover, 100% of the sum insured will be paid in case of any accidental death or permanent total disability such as loss of sight of both eyes. Similarly, permanent partial disablement will be covered anywhere between 1 to 50% of the sum insured depending on the type of disability. For example, for the loss of sight of one eye, 50% of sum insured is paid. This is the basic coverage. If you want wider coverage, you can opt for temporary total disablement, hospitalization expenses and education grant covers. Talking about other features, minimum entry age for the policy will be 18 years and maximum entry age will be at least 70. You can buy the minimum cover of Rs 2.5 lakh which can go up to Rs 1 crore. Most importantly, personal accident policies are quite affordable. You can get the cover of Rs 20 lakh for as less as Rs 1,500. Having said that, while the features of the standard personal accident policy remains the same across insurers, the premium rate for Saral Suraksha Bima will vary from insurer to insurer based on their claim experience. Money9 says personal accident policy is one of the must-have covers. Do buy Saral Suraksha Bima and give complete protection to your family.